How to find the fastest route in Waze. First, open the Waze app and make sure your GPS or location is turned on for accurate routing. Now tap the source where to bar, type in your destination address, place name or point of interest, then hit search. Waze will automatically show you multiple route options. Look for the route with shortest travel and tap view routes, tap go now, and Waze will start giving you turn by turn direction along with the fastest route. If the traffic changes, Waze may even recalculate a faster route automatically. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.